Tonight I ask you, what do you call reality? The silence of an empty room, or the love you dare to assume? You think loneliness is fact, but I tell you it is shadow. Love, union, companionship, these are creation the moment you claim them. So I set before you two paths this night, the fading echo of isolation and the enduring song of love. Which will you choose? You set the table for one, the chair across from you unoccupied. You eat in silence, each bite tasteless, while the room grows heavier with every tick of the clock. Evenings pall heavy, and the clock ticks louder with every passing minute. The telephone sits lifeless, no ring, no voice, no message of care. The mailbox yields no letter, only empty air that seems to mock your waiting. You walk past the mirror, and even your own reflection appears like a stranger who does not speak. And you whisper, "This is my life." I sit unseen, unheard, unwanted. But I tell you, that is illusion. The empty chair, the tasteless meal, the silent phone, the mirror that mocks you, these are passing shadows, powerless to define your life. They rise today and fade tomorrow, yet you bow before them as though they were eternal. But suppose, right now, you felt someone sitting next to you. Suppose you heard their voice calling your name, their laughter filling the room, their hand gripping yours, as if they would never let go. Suppose you knew beyond a doubt, I am wanted, I am chosen, I am loved. Would not your heart swell with joy? Would not the air itself seem lighter, as though the whole world conspired to celebrate your union? And if tomorrow you awoke in such love, could you even recall the ache of loneliness? Or would it fade like a dream that never truly was? And tell me, if every glance met yours with affection, would you not walk as one chosen? Would you not speak differently? Would you not fall asleep as one already loved? So I say to you, loneliness is illusion. Love, once assumed, is creation. This day you must choose. Serve the emptiness that withers, or the love that cannot fail. For what you dare to assume tonight, you must encounter in the days ahead. How it comes is not your concern. The law itself will find the way, beyond your cleverness, beyond all the little schemes of reason. It moves in ways no man can trace, yet it never falters. I tell you, the law never fails, and to doubt it is the only failure you will ever know. I urge you, dare to feel yourself already desired, already chosen. Do not wait for footsteps at the door. Live as the one already accompanied. Cast off the lie of absence and stand in the fact of love. For union is not a promise to come. It is the state you now occupy. And the law, unfailing, will bring the outer world into line with it.